Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Krupp Protze. I don't know how to pronounce that. But this is a truck available Miniature Tanks Company, miniaturetanks.com. So here's the kit. Comes in two halves with the bumper and then the tires. This is the cargo version. It is assembled the same way, so whichever version you buy, the regular covered version or the covered version with the cargo, they're pretty much the same. So first of all, there's a bit of sprue cuts for this kit. Just cutting up the sprues here. And as far as cutting up goes, it's just these now, the wheels. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward that process. Alrighty, so the next step in assembling this kit, putting some glue here. There you go. All right. And so just take it and put the two halves together like this. And then use the table to help me get it glued in the correct spot. Now, if you press real hard, these pieces will glue together pretty well. But one thing that you can do is there's going to be this line here, this line there. For this hood and window, it's probably fine, but for the hood and this top canvas, what you can do is you can actually get some putty, clay, whatever, and then put it in between those lines, get rid of that seam line, then sand it down. That's something that you can do if you wish. Sometimes if you paint it, paint will help as well. There's ways to get that line to disappear. All right, then put the bumper on. There we go. The last part of this kit is fairly simple. Just put some glue there, there, and there. And then put your wheels. Try to get those axles right in the middle. Try to get those axles in the middle there. Can always use the table to help. Just put that tire there on the table and see if they're all going down the correct position. And let's do the other side. Move there, and there. Should be done the gluing process. There you go. Putting the wheels in where the axle is in the middle, the center. All right, just test, make sure that's working well. And put that spare tire there. There you go. And then put some glue there. Then you'll have a spare tire there as well. There's a lot of spare tires in these vehicles. Alright, so there they are. Assembled. These are the covered version of the Krupp Protze. I don't know how to pronounce it. And available miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.